If you're starting out, don't build a house just to escape rent. One of the most expensive financial mistakes young people make is to build a house too early. Not because it makes financial sense, but because they are tired of paying rent. It sounds logical. Why pay rent when I can just build my own house? This thinking is emotional, not strategic. Early financial decisions made from emotion slows you down. Rent is not your problem. Low cash flow is. People treat rent as if it's the enemy. It isn't. It is just the cost of flexibility. When you're starting out, flexibility is one of your biggest advantages. You can move for better opportunities. You can change city. You can upgrade when income improves. Building a house early freezes your capital as it typically locks tens of millions. Meanwhile, your income is still small and unstable. Most financially disciplined people follow this order. Grow income, build investments, create cash flow, then build or buy a house. This is because when you build later, you build faster, you build better, you build without crippling your finances. The difference is massive. Rent is temporary. Capital is permanent. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.